You're welcome back, guys. In this video I'm going to show you how you can claim your seed airdrop. Now you come over to your SPUR wallet, which is the same wallet address which we linked to the seed Telegram mini app when it was time for linking of address. So you come over to this section, then you click on the apps. All right, then on the search bar here you tap on it and you are going to paste this URL. I'm going to drop it in the description of this video, or you can just type it, okay? playseedgo.com/dashboard. Then you click on the enter button. Then you go ahead and hit on the Telegram button here. Click on Telegram app. Now once you do this, it will redirect you to your Telegram. So once it brings you here, you go ahead and hit on the login button. Okay, now once you see something like this, you go back to your SPUR wallet. Now on the SPUR wallet, you discover that your wallet has been connected. All right, now this is my wallet. Okay, so here you are going to see the wallet and also the spending app. All right, if I scroll up, you are going to see the amount of seed that already I have. Okay, that's the allocation that has been given to me. So you go ahead and hit on this button where we have the SPUR under the asset. All right, so just click on it, then you are going to see seed displayed. All right, so tap on the seed. So here you are going to input the amount that you have or the amount that you want to withdraw. So let me withdraw, let's say for the purpose of this video, let me go with 206. Then go ahead and hit on the confirm button. Then hit on the confirm again. So they're going to deduct gas fee. All right, and once they deduct the gas fee, whatever you see in your wallet is what you're supposed to get. So you go ahead and hit on approve. Then we are going to sign in. Okay, you are going to sign into your wallet again. That is what you are supposed to put there is your PIN, your login PIN. If you are using fingerprint, you can use fingerprint to open it. So the transaction is successful. As you can see, out of the 266, I just have a balance of 60. So you go back to your wallet, you click on the home section, then here you are going to see your seed. All right, so this is how to withdraw your seed. This is how to claim your airdrop. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you have not subscribed to this YouTube channel, please you do well to subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell so that once we drop updates like this in this channel, you get notified. Thank you, and I hope to see you in my next video.